Hello, welcome to, well, long time no see Tech Hard Pro video. And yes, it had been such a long while without making a video. The last video, if I remember correctly, because I haven't even checked, it was about the Galaxy Buds FE. These things. Oh, as you can see, it has now some nice stickers. Oh well. Um, they still work fine. They still last long, and they still. Oh damn! Just now, new packages came out. Hold on. Let me get my packages, and then we'll be right by. Well, while I'm waiting for the Uber to come in, which will be about 2 minutes. I'm gonna show you what I just got. Then I'll show you the other item. This freaking big ass power bank. Now I did not pay $60, though it will still be a good price compared to the Samsung 20,000 milliamps 45 watts version. Now this is 80,000. I'm going to unbox this thing. Look, it comes wrapped. It comes with the holographic sticker. You know, I like them holographic stuff lately. So let's see if I could open it before the Uber comes in. Damn. Okay. Wow, this thing is gonna be so useful. The only problem is that it's 22 watts, so it's not going to do as fast charging. But at least it's Type C, because there's another model of this brand. But it's another model that has micro USB, and I didn't pick it up because I don't want micro USB. Like we are in 2026. Come on now. Wow, it comes in this pamphlet. Oh, is this the manual? Ah no, that's just packaging. Oh, that's cool. That's just to protect the thing here. We got some user's manual, paperwork, warranty information, and the main place. Oh, this big ass, gigantic and heavy power bank. Holy moly. Woo! This is crazy large. Oh man, it has a handle. That's how big it is. It has all these ports built in, but also you could just connect it to either Type C or USB A. USB A or USB B? USB B. Anyways, I'm gonna be right back and show you the other item that I just purchased on Amazon, refurbished. Double click, triple click. Oh, there you go. Okay, yeah, there it is, your emergency light. Just pressing several times on the power button. Okay, cool. This charges at 22 watts, so we're gonna try this out with my CFO 6, which, by the way, screen is intact, completely intact. But yeah, let's see. Let me just use the Type C cable. Wow, this feels kind of nice. As you can see, it does I think it's 15 watts for the phone, even though it does 22.5 watts. I'm not sure if it actually does 22.5. Oh, I do have a way of knowing. Let's see. How many watts you're gonna be giving out? 8, 13, 18. Okay, so it does do higher. But let me block the always on display, because maybe always on display is gonna cause it to do something. 18 watts. So it does a maximum of 18 watts for this phone, which is better than 15 watts just by a couple of numbers, but I don't know. This is 20,000 milliamps, this is 80,000, so this one I will use it for like longer durations, but this is if I want to charge it real quick. And look at it. 17 watts, 18 watts. Come on, I know you can do more than that. 17 watts, come on. Hey, this is 65%, it should do more watts. technically. It's doing the same amount of watts, even though it appears with a different color. It says super fast charging, but they're both charging at the same wattage. That's dumb. Anyways, maybe I need to discharge the phone a little bit. I'm gonna put some NTE up in this. I'm gonna put some NTE, you know, I'm gonna just play this and just let it rip. Let it waste a bunch of battery. Yes, a cable. A cable like this, you know what it means? Yeah, you clearly know what it means. You know what it is. Yeah, restart. Oh, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Now, why did I upgrade? For two reasons. One, the bigger screen. Look at this tiny screen and look at this bigger screen. The bezels are smaller, so the screen is larger. Looks so slick, and the rotating bezel feels harder, though it could be just because of usage. They basically costed me the same. This costed me almost $100, like 90 something. This costed me also almost $100. Though the frame is different. It's like shiny as hell. And if it comes like this by default when it launched back then, or maybe someone polished it. I feel like someone polished the frames, but I like it. Maybe the sensors are almost the same, except this one has like a extra sensor, maybe like a blood, I think it was. The buttons seems to be slightly different. Well, very cool. I'm gonna try this watch out actually. Let's turn it on, because why not? Okay, I'm playing NTE. Wow, let's go. Look at the nice sky. Oh, it detected the watch. Wow. Let's connect it then. Let's connect this shit. Why not? Yeah. Hey, same code. Ooh, it's downloading the software. Also, this watch does faster charging than the other one, which is something that I always struggle. I always struggle with the charging on this watch. Like I want to charge it, and it takes quite a bit. Yeah, the last one is optional. Yep. Allow. Now I need to wait. I wonder if it's gonna let me transfer what I have in here to this new watch. Yeah, it did detect the copy. The last time was today, so cool. Yeah, restore the things, please. There you go, and that will be it. Yay! And look, a nicer screen, cause wow, I don't even notice it's scratched. It's not like this one that came scratched the freak out already. Let's see. Look, it has a deep scratch there. That came like this with that deep scratch. I think this one is caused by me. That other is actually came like this, and the little dots are just a bunch of glitter. So ignore that one. Well, actually, maybe it's thinner. It looks thinner. It seems thinner. Yeah, it actually may be thinner. Supposedly it's heavier though. The charger, you know, even though they are, I mean, this is not original, but still, this is the one that came with the Watch 4 Classic. It's not the original one, and this is the one that came with the Watch 6 Classic. Well, there's one little issue that I may have, and is this one is USB Type A, which is fine. I could just plug it in on the extension thing, but this is Type C. Now, I don't have a problem with Type C. It's just that now I will have to plug it in on one of the phone charger, so I will lose one extra USB-C that has 25 watts, and then I will. Oh well, that's okay though. That's okay. I mean, I could just use the biggest battery pack that I have here.